nothing goes in any song yet, any Samako, then she then ya jizzy, Doja ya jizzy, Tijam Josana, then ya, then Chiji, Chenamji Jumate, anything, Tamara.
And we follow after that. Then what does emotion? It's not just following that, but it is expanding, it's deepening that emotion, expanding that emotion, elaborating that emotion. And then, for example, this anger is followed with that. Then there is all in the Buddha teaching said there's 9 different kind of like tormented, negative, anger emotions arise one after another when you follow after the anger that. Because then it's thought, oh, such as this he did, or he did, or she did in the past this, now doing, future doing. I mean, all those with different ways, then expanding. And this, he hurt me past, he's going to hurt in the future, he's hurting me now. And then he took my joy in the past. He's taking my joy now. He's going to take, he or she going to take joy in the future. And so that makes six of that. Then it expanded to our belongings, all the relatives, friends, or families. This person did to my relatives bad things in the past, and now doing, and future is going to do this, and that all called then 9 tormented conception idea comes in the mind because we're grasping on that, and then it's expanding. Those are the days, density, small, big, or medium, the different degrees called, but that then is how the way elaboration is developed, and then is called negative emotion. Then is overcasted in our clear state of mind. If you follow with this thought, or when we follow this thought, that means that we are keeping up. We're adding the fuel. We're adding to maintain that. And then it continually grow and deepening and expanding. It's disturb us, disturb others, and then it's created the whole environment, in, out, secret, and many levels, all that. And therefore that reason, to be as a practitioners, then cut instantly, immediately. In the Dzogchen teaching said, immediately, and as here said, immediately cut that net, that connection, cut that. That is grasping, that's a disturbance. And then we become the warrior, bravery, that's the hope. Then you're not crushed under that emotions, under that situation. We are then truly winner of now and futures. And then so therefore, and then here, all this thought, whatever the sound is, whether it's pleasing, unpleasing, or even is neutral thought, is all emptiness. And don't have any grasping, clinging, don't hold the grasping, relax on that natural status. Moment you relax in that natural status, that moment we begin to see the emptiness sound, which is the sound of the Buddha, voice of the Buddha, of enlightened beings, free from the birth and unceasing status. And the moment you heard, that very moment is empty. And then this is called sound emptiness, or emptiness sound. And then this is known as the speech of the Lama, or the absolute speech of the Lama, or the speech of the Buddha. To that I reverence, I pray, and then I pray to Guru Padmasambhava. So that is about the song. And the next day